about to be live. I think we're live right now. Yo, what's up, everybody? Just gonna set everything up to make sure that, like, I have the chat and everything.
Yeah.
Whoever is watching this back, we're gonna be like showing some examples of the strategy, maybe show some backtest, show a little sneak peek of something that we've been building. It's in early development, but it's looking very promising. And maybe do some FX replay battles, but we'll see how it goes.
Hey guys, Tony, check please if they can hear me twice or you hear me twice.
Yeah, one sec.
So I'll need to mute somewhere.
I might hear you twice. I might hear you twice, but it's very minimal, so for me it's fine. But let's see if
Now you can hear me once, right?
yeah, I think so. I think this is good.
And they hear me also in the live?
Yeah, they hear you also in the live. They hear me, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
I just need to fix that my mic is as loud as yours, because your mic's a lot better and like louder than mine. But I was up 1 to 3 on like a USD CHF short, like with a different little trade I did. But it's retracing now, back to break even almost. But yeah, Backtest game. I want to pass an account in one go with it, but
USD shape, actually, if you look on the structure, we were still bullish.
yeah. It was just like off the area. Like I liked it off the area, and it went back to like it went down to 1 to 3, like 3x. But yeah, I'm a little bit greedy. I'm going to for 5x.
So you didn't take the 1 to 3?
No, I'm at 5x. Like the TP is at 5x.
Yeah.
But that's just a different little trade. Okay. So let's see.
Yeah, but still with the fib levels, right?
No, this wasn't. This was my first trade, to be honest, without the fib levels in a while. I just bought an account and I was like, okay, let me see if I can just pass it in one go. And like I was up like 5% of or 4% out of the 8 I needed, or 5%, and now it's retracing. But yeah, I'll just hold just like I always do, and yeah, we'll see. If it's a loss, it's a loss. It's fine. Okay, so what do we want to do? You have your like you were doing some backtest, right? You want to show that, or shall I do something?
I'm doing backtesting. Yeah, I'm doing backtest now, only like just to see, check the strategy, not like really from zero. I can show it how I'm looking at it. So then we can also a little bit explain on our indicator we are building, and that shows if I need to take the trade or not. And so the screen.
Yeah. We see the screen. Yeah. So we've been building an indicator that's basically, checking off if it's a good trade to take or not. So we've been testing a lot, as you can see, like on the graph.
That's like 3 months already.
Yeah. So basically, we draw up the Fibonacci, and then we draw up the indicator the same way, and then it's saying, yeah, take the trade or not take the trade, and we're basically documenting if it's like improving the results or like making the results worse. So far, I think it's improving on the results. Like on the left side of the screen, for instance, you see 2 times LA, which means loss avoided. So normally we would have potentially taken those trades without the indicator, but now we didn't. So like it's
I'll show them how I'm taking it. So reset points from top till bottom. Oh wait, sorry. This one was till here, I think. Yeah. Oh no. Sorry. Okay. 1 sec. It was here. So this one, the first trade from the momentum was bullish. We broke here in the line chart towards the upside, and then I took from here to here. We can see that it's 2 from 6. We just want to see if it writes here fail or pass. If it will be pass, it will be green. If it will be fail, it's red. So I didn't take this trade. And then I think here another trade. Let's see if I took it. I don't see if I wrote. I think that was a loss. Yeah, that was a loss anyway. I think this one. Actually, here you won't take any trade, but let's say you just took this one. Yeah, so this one is also loss avoided. So it will be here. Wait 1 second.
Because we have with our strategy, we have like a lot of signals we have. So we wanted to find something or build something that's, you know, could be a little bit more selective, so we can avoid the losses. Some of the losses make the win rate higher, make the drawdown lower.
Yeah.
And in
So
the
here,
end,
for
don't take away
example,
too much RR.
here, for example, we opened on Monday as a new low. We can see also on the line chart, this was our low, high, low. So like in live till today, me and Tony will take this trade for 100%. I would love to take this short, but our indicator now says fail. We don't take this short, and this is a loss. So actually, it saved us 1 RR, 1% that we could lose easily.
Yeah.
Here, for example, we can see like again, we have in the line chart high, low, high. This is my low, this is my high. I took the Fibonacci from bottom of the week to the top of the week of the extremes. Take the indicator, reset the points, take it as the same as I stretch the Fibonacci from low to bottom because I'm looking for a long. And as we can see, pass, I would take this trade, entry on the 5-9, 1 to 3.5. It's a win. I think here it's a loss that the indicator told us to take. Sometimes it doesn't save you all the losses, yeah.
Not gonna
If it,
save
if it,
everything, and also it will take away some wins, but it's all about, you know, making the overall performance better. So
yeah,
we like with us having so many signals, we can be selective. So we don't have to take like the, for instance, if with the indicator we get a win rate of like 60+% or 70%, for instance, then yeah, we can just focus on those and not trade, for instance, like because strategy is profitable without the indicator, so you can
yeah.
take all the trades, but because we get so many signals, we were like, well, we can be more selective and like add like a filtering system, so we can improve the quality of the trades we're taking. So for instance, whenever you're in funded stage, or you know, or you just want to be like taking it a little bit more slow or whatever, then yeah, you can decide to trade that way, and then you have like less drawdown, and you have like more chance on the payout and all that stuff. Like it's basically like an extension of yeah, of the strategy. It's not required, but it just it's we want it to be like an improvement, you know, like it improves.
So here, for example, again,
Nice trade.
where we were bullish. Okay, we were bullish. That was our low. You can see for very clear that we broke here our low in this line. We broke the low, so we became bearish. First trade I will take again from high to bottom, but we see that we didn't have any correction. Again, I'm just looking for a new low, new high, new low. So I'm taking from the top of the week till the bottom of the week of the leg. And we see it has a very nice correction to the 0.59. Let's see that the
Indicator likes it. And
I
also
hope so.
we've been trying something interesting where we've been trying to increase the risk reward ratio. So right now Leo has actually been testing to go for 3.5 RR. Before we were going for 2 RR, I think, but lately we've been going for 3R, and right now Leo has been experimenting with 3.5R. So
Yes.
we're definitely like improving. We're still very much improving on the strategy and testing like hundreds and hundreds, at the moment even thousands of trades, and just improving every time, and yeah, testing, you know, because sometimes by going for the 3.5R, we have like a different entry, for instance, because sometimes we used to go for like the we like the 0.5 entry as well, but going for the 0.595 gave us like more room to go for bigger RR, basically. Nice. There's us.
So
It
actually
wouldn't give
here
the
it's a
trade.
win. Here it's a win that we see that the indicator told us not to take, so we won't enter. But it will give you a win only on the 0.5. Anyway, we are trying most of the trades to enter on the 0.95. Let's see how much stop loss is it. Yes, so here actually I won't take this win. I would wait for 595. So anyway, I won't have this win. So we can
It's not
just for
really a
the
miss.
just for the check, I'll write like we are still checking if it's worth taking every time just 1 to 2, or it's worth taking on the 595 and to take 1 to 3.5.
Yeah.
Because if you think about the mathematics behind it,
Yeah, we need to do
uh,
all the calculations, because if we, for instance, if there are a lot of trades that would have entered us on the zero point 0.5 and don't actually retrace to the 0.595, but every time we get to the 0.595, we get a win and it's 3.5 R. But whenever it would have hit the 0.5 and would have won, for instance, let it be like a 2x, then we do all the calculations to make sure that it's actually worth it.
yeah,
Hi,
another.
folks. No. One sec. I'll answer a question. We've been building an indicator. We've been hard at work to improve upon the strategy to have like a filtering system, which basically like says, yeah, you take this trade, pass, it's good, or you don't take this trade, it's better to wait upon like for a different opportunity. So yeah, we've been hard at work. We're still improving upon it, but as it stands, it's looking like it's already improving upon the strategy, but we're just trying to make it better and better and better, feed it, like keep gathering data so we can improve it. Yeah, so we would take this trade and it's a loss, but that's part of the game. You're muted, by the way, Leo. I don't know if you're talking.
Okay, you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
No, that's a win. So we entry us went up one
Oh,
to three
sorry,
and a
it's a
half,
win. I
and then
didn't see the. Oh, that's
so as you
nice.
can see, the indicator really loves it. Pass 6 by 6 of our confirmation. Sorry.
That's amazing.
So that's 1 to 3.5.
3.5 R is really nice.
So that's 1.3.5 R. Amazing, like the risk, the
Yeah.
return. Okay, we still are bullish.
One sec, I'll ask a question. Folks, now, if you already like checked out our previous videos about like the indicator or about the strategy and stuff, have you seen like how our strategy works, etc.? All right.
Okay, this is a loss.
Yeah. I don't think
I see.
the indicator will save us here. It looks pretty
No,
good.
then yeah, that's then yeah,
Yeah,
that's clear.
was to be
That's a loss.
expected.
Maybe if the stop loss is too small, but it's not. So also, me and Tony came to conclusion that we want to have another filter for this strategy. It's to have a minimum stop loss size at 4 pips. So we won't enter any trades that will be less than 4 pips. So let's say somewhere here will be my low. Let's say somewhere here will be my high, low, high. And I will take my Fibonacci from low to the high. And then I'll need to enter on the 5.9, right? And I'll need to have a stop loss that is bigger than 4. Okay, so here, for example, we can see that my stop loss is 1.1. I won't enter this trade. Many times it saves us from loss. So I think that's another good filter that you'll try to combine in your trading
And it also
strategy.
makes sense because with a very tight stop loss, you would have to have like a big lot size and you'll pay more commission.
Yeah.
You have like relatively to your stop loss, you have bigger spread, because the spread often is 0.5 pips on AUD, USD, etc. So that will actually be, 1/8 of your stop loss with anything and under the like imagine your stop loss is 2 pips, then the spread would already be like 25% of your stop loss. So also like spread wise, it doesn't make sense. So with any little new spike or any like volume spike, you just get stopped out. So they're like, it doesn't make sense. And also we've noticed they're of a worse quality overall.
Okay, so after you can see like we had, I'll show you like here, we had high, low, high. I took again from the low to high Fibonacci. I stretched the indicator from here till here on the wicks, on the extreme wicks, yeah. And pass 6 from 6. Again, enter on the 595, 4.8 pips stop loss, and 3.5 RR. I think you get TP. Let's see how fast. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4. 4 hours, 5 hours, you are TP. Bless you. Okay, so that's another nice one. Yeah. So
Mukul, it's a hard name. How should I call you? Mukul or Sharma? He's
it's
here
on the
again.
Discord.
Yeah, it's a guy from the Discord, I know. Welcome, buddy. He's asking, thank you for the stream, first of all. And then, did you change the stop loss level from 0.89 to 0.75? Yeah, I've been playing around with with a different stop loss for the Forex because we've often noticed that the price doesn't retrace as far, and if it does, it will stop you out anyway. So if it reached for like 0.8 or something, oftentimes it would actually stop us out, you know? So we decided, and we've been testing, to actually make the stop loss smaller, so we actually have like a better risk reward ratio. So right now we're testing 3.5 risk reward ratio. Yo, what's up, DA set trader? Welcome as well. Nice to see you again. Nice to see some familiar faces. We always like it. How are you all
Yeah,
doing?
that's a loss.
So like what you can see as well, we've been building an indicator that's basically, you know, it's basically a grading system for the trades. So whenever we get the trade that we like, whenever we set up the Fibonacci retracement, basically we can draw up our indicator, and it's basically saying fail, don't take it, or pass, you can take it. It's like a filter system. It's still in early development, but so far it's been looking very good. Are you going for the 0.5 entry?
Here, actually, we won't take this trade. I'm just
Yeah.
writing my to know the data.
Yeah, it's
That will
good
be
to have the data.
on our
Okay,
2 hours.
let's see how much win rate we getting with this. Um, like we've been testing now with a bigger risk reward ratio of 3.5. We've done like over 1k tests, and I think the average win rate was with 2 RR was about Leo like 50% or something on average, I think.
Between 50 to 60.
Yeah, between 50 to 60, but let's do the estimate on the low end.
Yeah.
Let's put it at 50. So it was highly profitable for the 2R. But us being, you know, perfectionist, and we still figured there was some room for improvement. We never really stopped looking to improve upon it. So yeah, we've been basically checking bigger risk reward ratios. So right now we're testing 3.5 RR, and it's been working very well.
Again, I just want to
yeah,
know how amazing is it. Like,
yeah, it's
just
very nice trade.
explain them like this trade.
Yeah.
Very nice one.
So yeah, we have like a new, like what we always do, the recent you know, lower high drawn to the lower low. Then you see it would have actually tapped us in on the 0.5, but then it actually also taps us in on the actual entry we're looking for, so the 0.595, and it instantly shoots down for 3.5 R. So a beautiful, amazing trade. Where did it all go? Oh, it's like
Wanted to check 1 second on the gold. Sorry.
oh yeah. But yeah, very nice trade. Also, the indicator said he liked it. He's saying take the trade. So but yeah, with the 3.5 R, we're still very much testing. But if we can land even, it looks like it's a higher win rate, right, than 40%. But even if we would hit 40%, like if that would be the one, it's still like highly profitable. But I think it's looking like 45 or something. I don't know. I don't want to shoot too high numbers. Let's be conservative. Right now, it looks like 40% win rate with 3.5 R, I think. Or do you have any other guesses, Leo?
Yeah, I think 50% is good to say.
Yeah, I think 50%. 40 to 50%. Let's call it that. And 40% really on the low end. As you can we can go through the if you look back a little bit, you can basically already get a guess of what
Yeah,
it
but
is.
it's combined with a lot of 1 to 1.5, so it's a little bit
Hard to read.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not so clear for people.
But yeah, we're pretty much gathering data.
Let's just show them in the past. Let's see. Let's say here, you can see that we have here very nice wins.
Yeah, and the loss avoided, the LA is very important to us, because that's actually when the indicator is saying don't take the trade. So it's saving us from losses, where we would have normally taken them. So
So this will be my Fibonacci, and this will how I'll take my indicator, high, low, and actually you see that it
it's
says
saying
fail. Let's
fail,
go
so
to-
it's saying don't take the trade, and it saves us a loss. So
yeah,
you can see quite a bit of loss avoided. Sometimes you also see a win missed, a WM. So we're very much trying to make it as good as we can. How the indicator works. So basically we draw up the Fibonacci retracement just like we do normally with the strategy, and then we draw up the indicator the same way. And it's basically doing it. It has a lot of different things it's testing in the background, 6 different things it's testing, and yeah, it's basically giving a go or not a go
yeah.
on if it's a good trade to take or not a good trade to take.
And
And
let's see
again,
what's
it's
going
not
on.
required for a strategy. The strategy, the testing we've been doing mostly has been without the indicator, but we've recently worked a lot on the indicator to have a filtering system for our trade, for our strategy basically.
Yeah. Here, for example, I think the stop loss will be too small. Yeah. So here the stop loss is 2.6. It will be a nice win, but still, I told you our filter is not to enter under 4 pip stop loss, so I won't take this trade. Let's just take and check it with the indicator if he loves it. Anyway,
He might do because it's an uptrend.
yeah.
No, he
So
doesn't like it.
it doesn't love it. That's weird.
Oh no, the
Tone it.
ATR. No, the
Yeah.
ATR.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah, here actually change character to bearish. It can take from high to low, and that's a loss. I think also the indicator will love it actually. See?
I don't think well, he does.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
from
close.
6. You can also see that sometimes we'll just the indicator will love it, we would lose, but you can see that the loss was how much we lost. Let's see,
That's very
0.
close.
Almost 1 pips that
Yeah.
he stopped us. That's nothing. But
That's the risk with what we're doing with the higher risk reward ratio. Sometimes you will get wicked out, but overall we've noticed it doesn't happen as often. And from our testing, it's worth taking the bigger.
yeah.
Whenever we're winning big basically.
And what's nice in this strategy actually that you always have the same entry level, the same stop loss.
Yeah.
You're not changing nothing. Same for every leg, same for every trade.
Yeah. Right now we've been switching up some stuff because we're testing, trying to improve. But in I think 1 to 2 months, I don't think we'll ever change anything unless the market conditions change. We might tell you, oh, we've actually noticed this level's better. But yeah, for every trade we take in a certain period, everything will be the same for sure.
Yeah. So here, for example, it can be a win, but that's on Sunday. Let's see
Yeah.
if this
How does it
if
look
the
on the line chart? It makes a new, yeah, I think it makes a new high.
it makes a new low here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and he loves it. That's a nice win if you take it.
Maybe the
I don't
stop loss is too small.
know.
Nice.
5 pips. So you're just opening your week after a nice weekend with 3.5 RR. So I'm writing win 1 to 3.5 RR.
Nice.
So I can count everything afterwards. And yeah, that's what we were working in the past few months. Actually, 2 months, 1 month, we are working on this strat, and me and Tony are believing in it. And I think the best strategy that I've seen for so far. Very simple.
Yeah,
Again, high, low. If he likes it, yeah, he likes it. So sometimes you're just taking the loss. It's okay.
yeah, it's not about like we're not delusional where we think, oh, the indicator will save us from every loss. That's not gonna happen. Like this is the world isn't perfect. The market isn't perfect. There's no strategy that wins 100%. All we're trying
Yeah.
to do is see if it's actually net worth it. And if it can avoid like imagine it can avoid even like 30% of the losses without taking away like hardly any wins, then it's already like amazing. If it can take away
So
50% of losses, it's
here,
even better.
here we could see that we had a change of character towards the downside here on the line chart. Show you. So here we have a low. So it's a small low, but still we can see that this candle was big.
Yeah, we
So
consider them a change of character.
take this from here to here,
Oh,
and
close
here the win was only on the. Let's see.
on the
Yeah, the win
0.5.
is on 0.5. So I will just take it with this, and I'll write myself like, because we also want to know like what's better, to just enter on the 0.5 and take 1 to 2, or to miss some of the trades but to take every trade on the 595 that it will be a win, to take 1 to 3.5, because the stop loss are the same. If it stopped me out on the 0.5, it will stop me out also the trades that I'm taking
Yep.
in the higher price. And let's check the indicator. Oh. Okay. Oh, so that's
It doesn't
actually
like it.
that's it doesn't like it. So anyway, I won't take it, but I will write myself just to know
Uh,
that
win missed 1.5 R or something, 2 R. What is it? 2 R, I
this
think.
one.
No? Yeah, 2 R.
Yeah. So I know that because the indicator I didn't enter, but anyway, it will be on the 0.5 and it will be a win for this. And let's see here what's going on. Okay. As you can see, like I know the backtest is like, wait, but you know what's going on, but I'm just taking the same legs that I will take also in every other backtest. And also, if Tony will test this period of time, it will look similar 100%, 99%.
Let's say 90%.
Yeah,
But yeah, it's looking very similar.
focus.
And whenever we're saying, yeah, are you looking for the AUD trade right now? Then I look at it and I'm like, oh yeah, you're looking for a long entry, like literally to the pip and stop loss to the pip. And he's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then we literally set up the trade the same way with me just hearing that he's looking at the AUD trade. I set up the exact same trade within like 2 minutes. I have the exact same trade set up. It's like it's very nice to the
Yeah.
pip, like literally to the pip.
Stop loss, yeah.
Hmm?
Same stop loss,
Yeah,
same
same
entry.
everything. So that's really nice. So also with the community, we'll have over time a lot of people looking for the same trades, same things, and yeah, we'll hopefully make all like hopefully we can all make money together. That would be the dream. That would be the dream.
That's the dream. That's actually the dream. I think we have a trade from here, but that will be a loss. Let's see what he thinks about it. Because if you just entered here, yeah, probably you will just enter here, but you won't take it anyway. Because the stop loss in the lower will be too small, I think. Let's see. If I try to take this trade, I think the stop loss will be too small for the 0.595.
Any of you guys have been trading this week? Let's see if the indicator saves us. Probably
No,
not. Yeah, it looks
it
pretty good.
doesn't. Yeah, we are still improving the indicator. And the moment that it will be finished, we just need to feed it more. We need to do another like 500 trades like this that I'm doing now, and then to feed all the data. and to get to a new conclusion how we can improve the indicator. In
Yeah.
the moment that it will be perfect for us, it will have a much higher win rate, and it will take less losses and it will take more wins. So we will think how we are going to release it to our community. Probably it's not going to be free. That's a thing that we are planning for sure, because I'm not sure there's many indicators like this in the market that actually shows you what trades to take and what's not, and can make you money.
And we've been
So
working very hard at it. So like, I think like whenever it's ready, it will be a quality product where we fully stand behind. So, and we've put a lot of hours in it. We've already put like hundreds of hours in it probably.
yeah,
And by that time, it might even drip into the thousands. So then, yeah, that's there will be like a little bit of monetary compensation, but the goal is to make it really good, so people will actually make money from it instantly. So then, there's no real harm in asking money for something that's making money, right? Like it's only logical.
okay, let's see. Right. Okay, so that's also loss avoided. If I'm taking as this is the low, high, low, then we broke towards the upside. Let's see if you also told us loss avoided. So this one, it will be loss avoided. Yeah, I think eventually when people will start seeing our strategy and the indicator
Yeah.
every live, and it will actually print money and show what rate you take and what not, I think people will understand the benefits of it.
Yeah, yeah. And also we're gonna be we have like close contact now with FX Replay. So we're currently in process to see if we can actually get the indicator to work on FX Replay. So we can actually use their amazing backtesting program to test the strategy and get like all the like extra data they provide basically.
Which
So
is
we're very
loss
much
avoided.
two losses avoided.
Yeah.
Nice. So this saves us 2 RR basically.
Yeah.
So that's amazing. So yeah, we're very much in the process, of developing and trying to build something really special for our community, but potentially like the retail trader space basically. There's a lot of complex and in my opinion unnecessarily complex strategies out there that aren't actually performing. Me and Leo went into that rabbit hole. Don't get us wrong. Like we've even tested strategies of people's YouTube, and we really tested a lot, a lot, a lot, and like never really. I think the results were the same or even remotely close to whatever was promised. Um, so we kind of we want to be that unicorn in the space where the strategy is actually um as
Here
is.
actually,
It's
here actually we are missing 1 to 3.5. So
I
that's
are
also
missing one.
something that we need to fix with the indicator, that you will recognize more how to take only the loss avoided, and when it has that nice leg to take this trade, because actually if we look at this, so here we saved ourselves 2 RR, but here actually we could make 3 RR.
Mm-hmm.
So even without the indicator, you can still be profitable with this strategy. We are
Yeah.
not building or trying to build an indicator that will show you only with this indicator you'll be profitable. No, it won't. Also, if just with the strategy you'll be very profitable, but the indicator it's something for people just want to start trading very fast and to understand our strategy. It will help you a lot to adjust it in your trading.
Yeah, for sure. So like a nice filtering system, and again, it's not 100% ready yet. This is like a sneak peek of whatever it's gonna be. Um, I think it's
This
like
is
80% ready, maybe 70% data wise. It needs to have like still a lot of data to improve
yeah,
upon it. Um, but yeah, the concept is amazing, and we really stand behind it. So we really want to keep building, keep getting it better, and yeah, I think it will be a very nice addition to.
exactly. I think this one is also a win. Let's see if he likes it. No. So you see, like it still has place to work and to change and to do.
Isn't it a loss?
But no, it's a win actually.
75
Ah, it's a
level.
loss.
Yeah.
It's a loss. Yeah. I didn't see. Let's see the stop loss. Maybe the stop loss is too small. But then we can enter on the 5-0. Yeah, no, we can enter this. Stop loss is too small.
Yeah. By
We
the
won't enter it.
0.1 pip.
Yeah. Anyway, if we would enter it, it will save us from the loss also here. Okay, here we have change of character. So this is our trade for now. We can see that we have high, low, high, low. Here we broke again. I will look for long. I know that it's a loss. Let's see if the indicator loves it. So that's another loss saved, actually. Because without the indicator, we would take it, yeah?
Yeah, for
That's
sure.
the problem with this strategy. The main problem, as I see it, is that we have so many trades and opportunities every day on the charts because we are just trading the main trend on the 1 hour line chart. Okay, we are just trading all these small ones.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of trades and we want to reduce and to have a bigger and higher win rate.
Yeah. Like we trade different pairs as well. So we've been testing on 6 different um, things. We've been testing on 3 Forex pairs, USD CHF, AUD USD, Euro USD. And we have tested on gold and silver and a little bit on Ethereum. But I think like with the like right now we have like a lot of trades even with only the Forex pairs. But with the indicator becoming better and better, it will probably filter out like a decent amount of trades. So we might add some, some pairs in the future. But right now we've only been really testing like of trading on Euro USD, AUD USD, and USD CHF, and they're giving more than enough opportunities. Every day you'll get trading opportunities, like and often you get quite a few.
Yeah. So here we won't take any trade because we can see that actually we have a change of character in the middle of the leg. So if you want to take this one, just to enter, you'll need to change character. So we didn't take it. And let's see. Low. Let's see if he likes this. I think the stop loss is also too small. The stop loss is okay. Like it's also, I think we found a good strategy that we like. That sometimes it's such a small trade, like 5.6, and it's scalping. Yeah, it's not day trading. It's not swing. It's just scalping. But with scalping, sometimes you are very emotional and you lose a lot of trades every day and you don't know what you're doing bad. Here you're just like a robot. You take just the same legs as everyone. You take the indicator, you check if it's good or bad. He doesn't like it. That's another loss avoided. So that's all. Like it's very easy, and we want people to trade with us that they are not looking for complexity. They are looking for just something very easy and simple. Here we change this character again to bullish. Take an indicator from bottom, top,
Probably
and
doesn't like it.
that will be
Yeah.
So another loss saved. So that's amazing. I think we had a very nice loss saved in the past few weeks.
Yeah.
So
We have like a lot of loss saves, like way more than the one win missed.
yeah. So let's go till the end of March, and then we'll just go back and check how much RR we made in 1 month with this indicator and with everything together. So here actually, was our high. This was my low, and then high, low. So I would take from here Fibonacci. That will be a loss.
Yeah, I don't think the indicator will save this. It looks pretty clean, but
Okay.
let's see. It's Monday, by the way, but again, yeah,
Yeah.
doesn't
What
matter
what
too
the
much.
night? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's at night. he likes it. Let's just take
Yeah.
it as a, let's see. Okay, so that's a loss. And if someone sees now how we are doing the backtest, you can actually see that we're doing it same as every time, everything the same, and yeah, that's all. We're not changing something. We're not trying to do something different every time. Trades are
We're trying to be real with the data because like you're only shooting yourself in the foot if you're like adjusting and trying to make it custom fit and try, oh no, but this is actually like not a short, and like we actually would take long here because like if you start to be add nuance to it,
yeah.
then the data isn't correct, like you won't have like solid good data. So we want to be like do the same thing all the time, so our data actually reflects real market conditions and whatever we're going to be doing.
Let's show now the result from the beginning of February, 2 months. Let's show 2 months of data. And okay, so we start from here from 2nd of February. So we have one loss, so that's -1. Let's see, wait, I'll zoom in. Okay, I'm just looking on the letters, yeah. So -1, -2, and that's loss avoided, that's win missed, that's only 1.5 RR. I won't take the 1.5 RR now, Tony. I will just take
Yeah.
the 1 to 3 took. So we have
So we have three
-1,
losses and then 1 to 3 win.
so we have -3.
Or 3.5 actually if we do the 3.5, but
So that's plus 0.5, minus 0.5,
plus
and plus
2.5 plus 5.5.
that's
Oh,
no,
sorry,
that's
with 3.5 it's more.
6.5, and loss avoided, loss avoided. We are 6.5, 6.5, 6.5, 6.5, 6.5 plus 3.5. So that's
10.
9, 10, yeah. Minus 1, so that's 9% plus 9% loss avoided. That's -1. So we are on 8, we are on 7, we are on 6, 4. Yeah, here we missed a lot of trades. Yeah, you see, like we didn't enter this one because the indicator and this and this. So actually, there's more places to fix. We are plus 4, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so plus 6.5. Plus 7.5. Sorry, plus 6.5. Here it's only 2 RR, so plus 6.5, plus 10, plus 13.5, plus 12.5, plus 16, plus 15, plus 18.5, plus 17.5, plus 16.5, plus 20, plus 19, plus 18, plus 17. So plus 16 in 2 months. So actually we made in total
18
we
hours
made in total
or 16
16
hours.
16 RR in 2 months. That's an average of 8 RR in 1 month. If you risk 1%, that's 8% for every month, and we can see.
96% a year.
Yeah, so that's amazing. Like I don't need more than this. Yeah, like give me 8% every month. Probably in 1, 2, 3 years, I'll make 40, $50,000 every month, and that's our plan actually. So this is with the indicator. Yeah, like if we don't take the indicator and we take all the losses that we missed and all the wins that we missed, the RR will be different. It's also worth checking if it improves. We can show now if it improves, and then I think we finish for today with the live.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, so we start from here. So -1, -2.
So -3.
Yeah, so wait, -3 and plus 0.5,
Yeah.
minus 0.5,
Uh,
and plus 3, plus 2, plus 9, plus 8, plus 11.5, plus 9.5, plus 8.5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10.5 plus 9.5 plus 8.5 plus 7.5 plus 11 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 9.5 9.5 plus 13 plus 16.5 plus 13.5 plus 17 plus 16 plus 19.5 plus 19.5 plus 23 plus 22 plus 25.5 plus 24.5 24.5 plus 28 plus 27 plus 26 plus 29.5 plus 28.5 plus 27.5 plus 26.5 25.5 24.5 28 27 27 24.5 RR. So actually we can see from
in this
24.
period.
Yeah. So in this period for 2 months, with the indicator we made 16 RR, without the indicator we made 24. So we can see that also without the indicator for now it works amazing. 24 an hour, that's 12 RR average for a month. I think nobody will show you a better strategy for now and so simple to take in YouTube. Yeah, that's all for today, I think, and we'll try to improve more the indicator to show that it's actually winning
Yeah,
everything.
we've done quite a few tests where it's actually like improving upon it, but this
Yeah.
period it's not. So it's not perfect yet. We're very much building, but that's the nice thing about the strategy, that it's profitable as is. You don't need like the fancy indicator we're going to be building. The indicator will be improving the strategy, but it's not required to be profitable with the strategy, as Leo just showed. Um, so yeah, I think that's probably it for us for tonight. A little short stream. Let us know if you like it. Feel free to join the Discord if you haven't already. And thank you, Leo, for the beautiful testing you've been doing. It's always
Thank you.
nice to I like this, sitting back and watching Leo test. It's I like it. It's a good dynamic. I just chat a little bit to the chat here and there, and Leo is doing
Yeah,
the
that's good.
magic, so that's good. Anything you want to add, Leo?
Yeah, I just want people to remember 24 fucking RR in 2 months.
In 2 months, yeah, that's
Yeah.
like
Check it by yourself. Check it for yourself. Go for this period on AUD dollar 2026 from February till end of from February till the end of March. So 2 months, and check the result by yourself if you have same results. So guys, welcome to our family. We're going to make tons of money from this strategy, and I hope you'll join us too. And that's the time actually when everything starts.
yeah, can't wait. Gonna happen, just a matter of time. So
Yeah.
yeah, thank you guys for being here,
Yeah.
and yeah, hopefully see you in the next one. We're only gonna keep growing, keep getting bigger and better, and yeah, join us for the ride. All right, thanks Leo, and
Ciao,
thanks
guys.
everyone.
Thank you.
All right, see you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.